SUG.
This is a machine we used to test the accuracy of the wrench. We have to make sure each wrench we sell in the market, the accuracy is within 2%. We put the wrench in the test machine. We clear the date, and we use this to increase the force. Here in the screen, we can see the torque value. Now we compare the torque value in the screen and in the wrench. Now we added force to about 6 Nm. Okay, it's about 6. And we check the wrench. It's 5.92. The value is very near. Okay, now we increase. It's about 13. Okay, now the value is about 13. The data are a little different, but the accuracy is within 2%, so it is working well now. It's acceptable. Now it's about 24. Okay, it's about 24. We keep on increase the force on the wrench. It's about 36. Now we increase the force to about 60. Near to 60. 60 is our max range. Okay, we check. The accuracy is good. Okay, now we reduce the force. The test is over. Thank you for your patience.